We'll just do this. We'll focus here. Okay, so my balance per books is this 1460 that is underlined in my balance per page.
Wait. Probably worse. I like the way the leaves are crunchy today. I don't remember them being like that recently. It's been too wet.
You should grab some of these. We can get some ASMR right now.
Okay, I'll crunch them.
Nah, you're doing it wrong.
Okay, boom operator. How do I do it better?
Hold it up over here.
Is that better?
Yeah, you did good.